We will also go. Why you are going between the katha? Okay, just okay. Come to the katha. The Brahma is also go one day. His position is also not permanent. Like all the demigods have a temporary position. When it will gone, nobody can say. Like a company is everything is cheater. Everyone is cheater, na the company cheater. So we cannot say anything about that. And then after she looked toward the Shiva, oh, Shiva is a tamoguni. How can I marry with him? With whom should I marry? And then looking, and just having a garland in her hand and moving here and there. And Narad is thinking, why she is not coming to me? Whenever she go, Narad come there and put his head forward, and Narad is thinking, she is not looking towards me. And the girl, she is just like making her face like that. And all the demigods laughing to see this. But the Narad, she doesn't know what's going on. Why she is not looking to me? Narad Rishi have only one aim and objective. Anyhow, she just put the garland into my neck. This is the only aim and objective. In the same time, the Lord Vishnu sit on the Garud and reach their place, where that marriage place. And that girl put the garland into the neck of the Vishnu, and after sit on the back of the Garud and went to the Vaikuntha Dham. And Narad Rishi is looking, what he did? How like Durachari, Dusht, like very cruel, like. And all the demigods laughing on Narad Rishi and said, look your face, how your look. Narad Rishi replied, my face is just like a Lord Vishnu. And he saw the face into the mirror and then check, he have a face like a monkey. Jai. Narad Rishi became angry. What he did to the Vishnu, he did give curse to Vishnu. Just like I is like getting pain so much for the lady, so similarly you will also get a pain for the lady. Just like you will get the separation, then you will understand what. Then you will understand the separation mode and how much pain we get after separation from the lady. This curse Narad Rishi gave to the Vishnu, Sarva Antarya, and God accepted that curse. Why he accepted? Bhagwan knows I have to perform leelas, I have to manifest this separation leela. Now the Narad Rishi is lamenting, why did I give curse to Vishnu? Then again Narad Rishi told, which monkey face you had given me, and that monkey is the person who will Milan like Sita and Ram, like he will help to in the meeting of Ram and Sita. That monkey, the same monkey will help you. And the Vishnu became a Ram, manifest a Ram roop, and all the associates will also manifest. And the Swam, Hanuman, Vanar, like all the Vanar Sena helps to the Ram. Have you you heard the Sita Haran Katha? like Sita is stolen by Ravan.
हम लोग जितने भी संसार में जितने जीव बैठे हैं,
Like so many like living entities sitting, they have all their prarabdha karmas,
जिसको कहते हैं पूर्व निर्धारित,
like before
पहले से सब
like pre-decided
कर्म के अनुसार सब
karma.
निर्धारित समझ,
Everything is already pre-decided, already planned
अपने कर्म के अनुसार
according to the karma.
कौन कितने दिन तक रहेंगे,
How many days you will live here?
एक एक दिन एक एक पल की
One day, one second, already planned. The food you will get today or not, that is already planned. Everything is planned.
जहाँ पर जिसको दाना है ना,
Just like where if you already decided a food for you,
है ना,
just like today your prasadam is here or not now,
वो सब नाम लिखा ही है.
this is already your name mentioned into this. You too just only came.
आपके नाम यदि लिखा नहीं है,
If
कथा को पहले प्रसाद वितरण के
if your name is not mentioned there, then before prasadam you will went.
हाँ, देखो सबके दाना जो है वो है इसको,
Just like
दाने दाने को मिलेगा.
खाने वाले का नाम. Just like every food on the every food written everyone's name.
बच्चा को स्कूल से लाना है,
Just like it is just like a bahana. If you are getting late for school and all, just temporary like reasons. It just like, but it is already decided you will not get the prasadam today.
करके लाए.
And every
ये एक दाना इधर उधर नहीं जाए.
like one food cannot go here and there. Like everything decided, pre-decided how much food
दूसरे के लिए कोई भिखारी के लिए
and you will get
जहाँ
and
जहाँ
not.
पर है वो ठीक, जिसको जितना है मिलेगा.
Like
हमारे तुम्हारे कोई दोस्त नहीं.
nobody have their no one have their faults already decided. Just like if like
तो नहीं होता है काम.
like prasadam cannot be less, it always like more. It is not less, the prasadam cannot be less,
जिसको मिलेगा, जिसको
but
दाना में
who will
लिखा है,
get,
तुम्हारे लाभ पर है, वो मिलेगा.
you will get.
और नहीं है तो मैं कहीं नहीं. भगवान भी उसी प्रकार नरबत लीला आदि करते हैं.
The god is also perform leela just like a human,
इस धारा में नहीं है, नियम में नहीं है.
but god is not into the rules and regulations.
भगवान की लीला आदि, इसलिए भगवान को उसे कहा जाता है क्या, लीला कहा जाता है.
What
और
we
जीवों
call
की क्या कहा जाता है, वो
the god perform anything we call leela, and whatever the human is doing we call that karma.
जन्म की प्राप्त कर्म के अनुसार इस संसार में भोग रहे हैं.
According to our karmas we are suffering here.
बंधु, स्त्री, पुत्र, परिवार
Like
के
we
साथ
got
भोग रहे हैं.
the husband, wife, son, daughter according to our karma, and according to time we will also go from here.
फिर एक शरीर छोड़ करके हम दूसरे शरीर में चले जाते हैं.
One body left and another body get.
जब तक हमारे प्राप्त कर्म है,
Accord-
उस कर्म के अनुसार
Till our the karmas lies, we have to be stay into the body.
और जब हमारे प्राप्त
When all the karmas will gone,
हो जाता है,
then we will
और इस शरीर को
leave
छोड़
this
करके
body to the
इस शरीर में
another body.
आत्मा केवल इसे क्या करे, चलते जा रहे हैं. इसे कहा गया है,
The soul is moving from one body to another body. This is the yatra of soul. Yeah,
नाटक यात्रा नहीं है.
natak yatra. This is not like a natak, means like
एक स्थान
I
को
cannot
छोड़
know.
करके आप
I don't know.
दूसरे स्थान पर चलते जा रहे हैं.
We are leaving one place and going to the another place. Just like we are walk on the mountain, na, Haridwar
पार करके
to the Lakshman Jhula.
पहाड़ के ऊंची स्थान पर चलते हैं.
There is a one mountain. We are when we move there.
वो रहता है धर्मशाला रहता है.
There is one dharamshala, the resting place.
आप वहीं पर एक दिन दो दिन आप विश्राम कर सकते हैं.
There you can do rest for 1 or 2 days. That we call that in Hindi padav.
आप गोवर्धन परिक्रमा करोगे,
Like while you do Govardhan Parikrama, this is the Antim Padav, last Padav, means this is the last destination. Vanvyari Lal Ki Jai.
गोवर्धन परिक्रमा किया आपने?
Have you ever did the Govardhan Parikrama?
देखा क्या?
Have you seen the Govardhan? Have you seen that Antim Padav, means the last destination?
ठीक उसी
point.
प्रकार हम इस संसार में भ्रमण करते जा रहे हैं। एक
Similarly,
शरीर छोड़ करके
we are
दूसरे शरीर, दूसरे तीसरे शरीर।
moving one body to another body in this world.
कभी स्त्री शरीर, कभी पुरुष शरीर,
Sometimes we get the female body, sometimes animal,
ऐसे
sometimes male.
शरीर जा रहे हैं।
So we are
जब
moving
जिस
like
शरीर में
this.
हम जा रहे हैं, उस शरीर में कुछ समय तक हम लोग रहते हैं।
Like which body we will get, we will leave sometimes for that with in which body. Just like we came here into the human body, we will stay here for the some time.
कितने समय तक रहेंगे?
How many times we will stay into this?
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 100 साल।
More than 500 years. After that we will leave this body,
और फिर दूसरी शरीर में प्रवेश करेंगे।
and then after that we will go to the another body, and according to the karma we will move to one body to another body. Like so many like lifetimes we are doing this. So there is a no last destination into this, no antim padav, no last destination.
इसे खत्म कब होगा?
When it will be finished?
अंतिम और आप
What is, when will be the antim padav?
भगवान के चरण
When we will surrender at the lotus feet of God. Sarva dharman parityajya
ओहम त्वां स्वरूपापेको
mokshayami ma shucha.
गीता में भगवान कहते हैं
In the Gita, Krishna saying to the Arjun, everything you have to give up, like all the dharmas. You just only surrender at my feet. What you are thinking, if I give up the dharmas, then I will get the sin. I will give the liberation from all the sinful sins.
हम लोग
Like what is the meaning? Means just like one day, one day we will surrender myself to the lotus feet, then that is the last destination.
नित्य पुरुष
But this is not apply for the God. But he is eternal. He just like all the leelas is going into the Sakyadam. He just manifests that leela into this material in world. Have you ever read the Ramayana? The Swam Ramchandra,
नित्य धाम से साकेत धाम
eternal dham. From the eternal dham, he manifests all the leela into the manifest into the material world. Like a very elevated devotees cannot understand this.
एक बार गरुड़ जी भी भ्रमित हो गए।
Even the one time the Garuda
रामायण में
also
कृष्ण की कथा प्रसंग
have some illusion by
गरुड़
this.
जी की भी कथा है।
He also fall into the illusion.
राम लक्ष्मण
There is one katha of the Garud. One time the Ram Lakshman
नाग पास में बंध गए।
is like by the snake, tie up with the snakes.
इंद्रजीत राम लक्ष्मण के नाग पास में बांध दिए।
Indra, who just tie the
ऐसे दीपक
Ram Lakshman into the snake by the snakes.
तीर मारा जिससे
There is a one
सांप के
arrow.
द्वारा
By that arrow, Ram Lakshman tie up with the snakes.
नारद ऋषि कौतुकी है।
Nada Rishi is a very like
नारद ऋषि
naughty.
विचार करने लगे चलो एक लीला रचाता हूँ।
Then he is
नारद
thinking,
ऋषि आकर के
will play
गरुड़
one
जी के बोले,
leela,
गरुड़ जी,
and told to the Garun,
दशा देखो।
"Oh Prabhu, just see your Prabhu Dasha. Look
सांप ने
how he is tied with the snake."
बोले, सांप
Garud thinking, "Oh, snake, he is my food.
मेरे मेरे प्रभु के सांप कैसे बन सकते?
How the snake can tie my Prabhu? Oh, you just come out forward and look." Garud come out
दूर से देखा
and saw from far.
वास्तव रूप में
Oh, this is actually truth. Ram Lakshman is tied with the snake.
बस नारद ऋषि की गरुड़ जी विचार करके वास्तव
Then
में सत्य है कि नहीं?
Garud is thinking, this is the truth or not?
के शरीर के गंध से ही सारे सांप
Or by the smell of the Garud, all the snakes run away from there.
मुसीबत आ गई।
And
विचार कर लिए कैसे?
he is thinking, like, what
नाम
happened?
लेते ही बाबा सिंधु सुखाई।
But if we call the name of Lord, we can deliver ourselves from this material world.
ठीक है ना? नाम लेते ही बाबा सिंधु
Naam lete, calling the name. Bhava Sindhu, this material world, we can deliver.
क्या होता है? सूख जाता है।
Like, became dry.
नाम
This
के
material world become dry.
और मेरे शरीर के
And
गंध से
that
पूरे
Prabhu
सांप
is tied with the snake, and by just only my smell that snake run away. How is it possible? Acha, just tell me.
माँ जसोदा ने
Anyone can tie up the God.
क्या बंध दिया किया था कि नहीं?
Ma Yashoda tie up the Krishna.
माँ यशोदा ने
Is she tie up or not?
गोपाल को बांध दिया कि नहीं बांध दिया?
You just tell me.
संशय।
This is also a doubt.
माँ यशोदा ने
Ma
गोपाल
Yashoda,
को कैसे बांधा?
how Gopal tie?
अपने चूड़ा बंधने वाले छोटी सी
Like there is a one
कमर में उखल के साथ बांध दिया।
tie up with the ukhal.
दामन लीला की
This we call this Dambandan Leela.
कथा। अच्छा वास्तव है कि नहीं? जब हम
This is the
सत्य
truth
विचार
or not?
करेंगे,
If we think like philosophy, we think of it, then how the Ma Yashoda tie up? The God is everywhere now.
वो रस्सी के ऊपर में भी है, अंदर
He
में
is
है,
inside the rasi
परमात्मा
rope.
सत्य
He is
है,
outside the
भगवान जो है,
rope.
परमात्मा स्वरूप है।
He is a Paramatma Swarup. He is everywhere.
गोपाल को कैसे रस्सी
How
से
the
बांध
Shima Yashoda
दिया?
tie
हम
the
जाए, प्रवेश
Krishna,
करें,
if we
तो बांध नहीं सकते।
think accordingly to the
किंतु
principles,
रस विचार में हम देखें,
but into the
तो
ras
माँ
vichar,
यशोदा ने गोपाल को
yes, but according to the ras vichar, she tied the Gopal. By her Vatsalya Prem, she ties the Lord Krishna. This is also mentioned to the Bhagavatam.
स्वयं भगवान
Swam Bhagwan
बंधन को
Bandha accept that tieness. Well, he cannot be tie up, but he himself accept to be tie.
अपने वात्सल्य रस रूपी
By the Vatsalya ras, she tie the Gopal.
किंतु यहाँ पर एक कथा प्रसंग आ रहे हैं। गरुड़ जी मन में विचार करने
But
लगे,
the Garud
भगवान राम
is thinking the Parabrahm Bhagwan Ram.
और नाग सांप इसको कैसे बंद करके
How the snake can tie the Lord Ram and Lakshman? They all are my food. What we eat into the morning. This is Kaleva,
और वही सांप मेरे परब्रह्म भगवान
like
राम
breakfast food. How that this snake tie up with to my Lord, and he became so much restless.
तो
Garud.
इसके पश्चात गरुड़ जी
After that,
विचार करने लगे,
Garud is
कौन
thinking,
मेरा ये संशय के
who can this matlab like remove my this
ब्रह्मा जी
doubt?
बोले, देखो
He went to the Brahma,
तुम्हारे संशय कौन दूर कर सकते हैं?
and the Brahma told to the Garud, go to the Shivji.
हैं? गरुड़ जी उड़ते उड़ते
Garud is just flying and reached to the
यहाँ पर शिव
Kailash,
पार्वती
where
वही
is
राम कथा
Shiv Parvati is doing Hari Katha, Ram Katha Charja. Very beautiful Ram Katha is going on there.
गरुड़ जी जाकर के शिव जी के प्रणाम करके वही प्रसंग उठाया।
Garud did the pranam and asked the
कि
same
आगे
question
हम में पृथ्वी लोक में
at
जो
the
रामचंद्र लीला
like
आदि कर
ground,
तो
matlab
क्या
like the Prithvi
परब्रह्म
lok, this
भगवान
material
राम
world.
है कि साधारण
He
मनुष्य
is a
राम?
Parbrahm Bhagwan Ram, or he is an ordinary person.
ये मेरा संशय
This is my doubt. Please remove my that doubt. This doubt.
क्योंकि सांप कैसे परब्रह्म राम को कैसे बांधेगा?
How the sap,
और जो सांप
snake can tie the Ram. He is my
और
food.
मेरे शरीर के गंध से सांप सारे भाग गए।
And by the smell of my body, all the snakes ran.
उस समय शिव जी
How is it
कहने लगे,
possible? Then Shiva
गरुड़ जी,
told Garud,
तुम्हारे संशय के जो है
your doubt,
दूर करने वाले एकमात्र समर्थवान कौन है?
only the Kag Bhushandi can remove your doubt. So go to the Kag Bhushandi, cross the Himalaya,
आगे चले जाओ जाकर
and
के
go forward
जहाँ पर
where
काग भूषणी विराजमान है।
Kag Bhushandi is
वो
sitting.
काग भूषणी तुम्हारा ही
The
संशय को जो है
Kag Bhushandi will remove your doubt. We call that Lokalya Parvat.
है। उस लोकालय पर्वत के ऊपर है, हिमालय के ऊपर जाकर के एक पर्वत शिखर कहा जाता है लोकालय पर्वत।
There is
उस
after
लोकालय
the
पर्वत के
Himalaya
शिखर पर
Parvat,
काग भूषणी
there is
विराजमान
one
है, जहाँ पर काग भूषणी नित्य प्रत्यह
Kag Bhushandi
राम कथा
sitting there, and Kag Bhushandi
और सारे
do the
देवता लोग भी
Ram
पक्षी रूप
Katha.
धारण करके राम कथा सुनने के लिए वहीं पर विराजमान
All the demigods take the like birds form and sit there to listen the Ram Katha. Tulsi Das very beautifully in a simple way write the Ram Katha.
गरुड़ जी शिव जी के आदेश प्राप्त करके उड़ते उड़ते
After taking the order of a Shiva, he did the same as the Shiva told
लोकालय पर्वत
and reached to the Lokalaya Parvat, where the Kak Bhushandi
एक ऊंचे चट्टान के पहाड़
is sitting on the high rock
राम कथा कीर्तन।
and doing the Ram Katha Kirtan.
यहाँ पर एक देवी पार्वती ने
Here
एक प्रश्न पूछ लिया।
here Devi Parvati asked one question to the Shiva. Hey Patidev, you know everything. Oh, you know whole Ram Katha and you do the Kirtan also.
संशय के तू
Why you didn't remove the Garud doubt?
गुरु जी के संशय को आप
Why you don't remove the Garud doubt?
आप तो उत्तर दे सकते
You can answer. You can give the answer. But why you send it to Kak
हो।
Bhushandi?
उस समय
That time
हमारे तुलसीदास जी
Tulsi Das ji saying one beautiful katha.
बोला
The khag jane khag ki bhasha.
बोले ये भी खग है मैं
Khag means a bird. Like the birds knows the bird's language.
से सुने इसके ठीक से
It's
समझ में
it is the meaning of the khag jane khag ki bhasha means the birds knows the bird's language.
गुरु जो है पक्षी के राजा हैं।
Garud is the king of all the birds. He have a
एक
ego.
राजा जाकर के सबसे
If
नीच
the king go to the lower bird, if
मंडप
listen the Hari Katha from that lower bird, then his ego will destroy. That's why I sent to Kak Bhushandi. Then after the Garud flying and reached
हिमालय के ऊपर लोकालय पर्वत
Lokalya Parvat
वहीं पर
rock,
चले गए देखा
and so there
हजारों पक्षी समाज
thousands of birds were sitting there. There's no one.
राम कथा सुनने के लिए
Every day
देवता लोग भी
all the demigods in the form of the birds will come there, and we don't want to be listen the Ram Katha. Somebody told,
भक्त है,
we are Krishna Bhakta, why should we listen to the Ram Bhakta? Still you are not the Bhakta Bha, like the first alphabet. If one chiti bite you, then you will run away. The Bhakta Hona is a very difficult.
हाँ हमें बहुत लोग सुनाते हैं।
Like so many people told to me
कृष्ण भक्त राधा के किंकरी उदासी
and says to me, I am the Kinkari of the Radharani. How I can listen to the Ram Katha?
पागल है
Hey, you are mad.
भक्त मेरे गिरता
If you will listen the Ram Katha, then you will fix determination. I remember one time the Gurudev, before the Ram Navami, 1 month before,
ये राम कथा
he used to do the Ram Kirtan.
वाल्मीकि रामायण से
Valmiki Ramayan.
बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कथा
From the Valmiki Ramayan, he do the so many kirtans from that Valmiki
महीने
Ramayan.
में
Into the 2 months,
2 महीने तक राम कथा कीर्तन करते हैं।
he do the Ram Katha.
कथा
10 months he do the other kathas, but 2 months
2 महीने गुरुदेव
he do Ram Katha.
राम कथा चलो आगे की कथा सुनाता हूँ।
So I will tell you the further katha.
जब वहाँ पर पहुँचे
When the Garuds reached there and Lokalya Parvat, and so there is a one high rock, Kak Bhushandi is sitting.
सारे देवता
All the demigods in the form of birds were sitting and listening the Hari Katha.
गुरु जी कहाँ बैठे देखे तो हजारों पक्षी के पीछे जाकर के बैठे
And Garud is a very far, after the 1,000 devotees, just like all are very congested place, and all are sitting very congested way. And so far the Kak Bhushandi is sitting,
कथा चल रही
and the katha is going on.
सभी पक्षी समाज जो है
All the
गुरु जी के मुखारविंद से
birds like family listening the Ram Katha from
वास्तव
the.
में कोई राम कथा कीर्तन करे ना
If actually you will listen the Ram Katha, you will not leave that Ram Katha. It is very interesting.
जाने नहीं
If you want to go, I will not let you go.
बोले राम कथा इतने मधुर है
Ram Katha is a very sweet.
आज तक भी और रामानंद सागर के टीवी चैनल में बैठ जाओ यूट्यूब में देखो ना
If you sit in front of TV and you will see the Chandra Katha, you will not like to stand up from
सरस कथा है
there. Like you want to be sit there and you will start cry. There is a very beautiful Katha. This is so sweet Hari Katha.
राम कथा में इतने सुंदर मधुर और किस कथा में
Ram Katha is so sweet. No Hari Katha is so sweet than Ram Katha.
उससे आंसू की धारा फूला।
And so much tears falling down from your eyes, and your heart will melt. And the Garud is,
सभी पक्षी लोग
Kakbhushandi is sitting so far.
काकभूषण के
All the birds are listening Ram Katha from the mouth of Kakbhushandi. After finishing the Katha, all the birds fly away.
धीरे-धीरे
Then Garud
काकभूषण के पास आकर
slowly reach to the Kakbhushandi and do the pranam and sit there. If we want something from,
इसमें क्या करना चाहिए?
so first we have to do pranam if want something from someone. Like
ज्ञानिनो सप्तदर्शिनो। गीता में भगवान
in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna saying,
सप्तदर्शी महापुरुष से कुछ प्राप्ति
if you want to something from the like Bhagavad Bhakt, Paranipat Parishen Seva.
प्रणिपात प्रणाम करके बैठो।
First you do the pranam.
घमंड के साथ ऐसे बैठ जाओ।
Just not like sit like with the ego. First
प्रणाम करो जो लोग बैठे।
do the pranam to the Guru Jana, all the listeners,
कोई प्रश्न उनसे प्रश्न पूछो। ये मेरी ये
and
बात
ask
समझ में नहीं आती।
the prashan to Guru in a very humble way.
और सेवा
Seva means do the seva.
बड़ी सेवा क्या है?
What is the highest seva? You know, the prasad seva.
बिना प्रसाद सेवा में कोई
Without prasad seva, no one can go. If you will go, you will get the sin. And then after that, you will not get the food.
महाप्रसाद की तुमने अवज्ञा करके
If you dishonor the Mahaprasad, you will not get the food for 3 days. 3 days Ekadashi will happen then.
महाप्रसाद लेकर के
So what you do? Just take the Mahaprasad and then go.
प्रसाद है
This is the Mahaprasad. Every time you will eat into the house. Laddu kachori every time you make and eat.
भगवान के भोग लगाते हैं इसमें महाप्रसाद देखो।
So where the Sant Mahatma came and offered to the God and take to your home. If you don't have a time, then take to your home.
कथा सुनाते हैं देखो हमारे कृष्ण
Every time we like give Hari Katha, like Krishna consciousness,
हमारे प्रति प्रीति भाव रखते हैं। देखो
so many love and affection
कोई होटल में जाए
we have.
पहले तो कोई पैसा देना पड़ेगा।
Like if you go to the hotel, first you have to give money to. How much written there? 300. Just like I'm saying,
रिसीट खरीदो तब आपको प्लेट आएगा।
if you will get that slip, then you will get the food.
और आपको बिना निमंत्रण में आएगा।
And into the Krishna consciousness, you will get the food without invitation. So everyone says
समय नहीं है
is to, if you came here to take the prasada, Are you tie up with yours with you.
देखो हमारे समाज में कितना आदर है।
Like how much respect in our society. Okay, chal, if you don't have a time, then you will then you will take more and more prasadam, give to your daughter and your other family members. So you don't need to be give anything. How much love and affection you will get if you go to the hotel? First you have to give money. First you have to pay bill. But there is a free entry. In the foreign countries there is written free entry. If you don't have a time, so take it with you. Or some places I saw, like the 5-class hotel, they respect me. Like so much beautiful systems, so much like respect to the others, like guests. I praise them. Like so, like the people comes to the festival. 300-400 people came there, and you cannot trust. I'm just only saying. You just see into the TV, like a YouTube TV, like the serviceman have the iCards also. Like give the very beautiful like place to sit, like a chair, sit on the chair. Like somebody who wants to sit on the floor, so there is also arrangement. Just like having a tray, so many types of the drinks, like a juice. I to don't know. I didn't drink red, yellow, blue colored juice.
अरे भाई मैं तो देखत मैं कि वो तो बैठ
Oh, I to just sit and look. Oh, how much respect!
होटल के बाद ही
Just like a 5-class horse.
फर्स्ट क्लास
First class, business
या
class.
हॉस्टल के फार्म
Air hostess, like a air hostess.
आदर
They are giving respect.
ऐसी कोई मिलेगा मैं कहीं और मैं
You-
देश में घूमता रहता
You will get anywhere this.
ऐसी आदर करके देखो
Cannot get this anywhere. I to always travel into the foreign.
सेवादार रहता है
20-25 like servicemen will be there, and they know how well they have to
ऐसे सुंदर
do seva.
ऐसे बंधे करके रखे हैं जिससे मैं देखता हूँ हमें जितने
I
भी
saw-
प्रकार जाते हैं कुछ ना
Like who the preacher goes
उससे
there.
ज़्यादा अधिक लोग आता है।
So many people comes there.
400-500 लोग
400-500 people come there.
सब हम चाहते हैं आदर कीजिए।
Everyone wants respect.
महाराज आपके कथा में कोई पानी पूछने वाला नहीं था
And Maharaj, no one is in your Harikatha who can ask water to us.
हमारे वैराग्य थोड़ी है
Everyone is not like me, like Vairagi. Someone wants water.
उसके भी पीछे खड़े रहते हैं
If someone went going out from the festival, then like stand one person behind that. Oh, just take the prasadam first.
तो इससे हमारे क्या होता है
Like by this, I feel very happy, and
वो हमारे ऊपर
this is
कृतज्ञता प्रकाश करें
if we respect someone, just like he will give gratitude to us. This is the way of preach.
आता ही नहीं है
Like some people says if I do prachar, no one can come to me. Just because you will not have a sevavriti, you will not give respect to others, then how the people come to you?
ये भी इनके
So ISKCON, this is also a very like the good quality. If you want to be preached, then this is also essential to give the respect. Every listener is not the same.
कथा सुनने लिए कोई
Everyone is not here to be just listener Harikatha. They also want the respect.
सेवादार की जरूरत होता है
इसलिए सेवादार,
चलो जिस कथा में सुना दे, क्या
if we need, then that's why we need the serviceman. What I am saying to you, the Kakbhushanti Katha.
गुरुर जी जब सब लोग चले गए ना गुरुर जी काकभूषण गिरने पर आकर के प्रणाम करके बैठे
Then Kakbhushanti,
इस संशय को पूछने लगे
the Garud give pranam to the Kakbhushanti and told the Shiva has sent me here.
अभी मर्त भूमि में
Now in the material world, in the Prithvi Lok,
जो रामलीला चल रही है वो
the Ram Leela is going on there.
राम है
That Ram is Parabram Ram, or he's an ordinary
मेरी
man.
संशय
This is my doubt.
देखो काकभूषण ने कैसे सुंदर उत्तर दिया
Kakbhushanti is give the very beautiful answer.
काकभूषण ने कहा है गुरु जी
Kakbhushanti is told, hey Garud,
एक मैं बताता हूँ
I will tell you,
ये स्वयं प्रब्रह्म भगवान राम
he is Sam Parabram Bhagwan. He is performing Leela as like a human. The same you as I also have some. I will also fall into the illusion. Kakbhushanti is saying now history of his life to the Garud. One time the Kaushalya's house, just like Ram, that time is a 1 or half years old.
देवी जो है
The Swam Kaushalya Devi, who's a mother of Ram,
कुछ खिला रही
she is just giving something to Ramchandra to eat, and Ramchandra is eating, and Ram is very beautiful form of Ram.
मैं मोहित
I attracted by that form of Ramchandra, and I become a
रामचंद्र
crow.
आंगन में
crow and went there
बैठे रहे
and sit there,
रामचंद्र के इतने सुंदर बाल रूप के दर्शन करके
and by the beautiful form of the Ram, I started crying.
जो है कितना सुंदर
How much beautiful form, like no clothes on his body, having a curly hairs, very beautiful eyes like a lotus.
मैं प्रभु के जो है
I saw the Prabhu's form and intoxicated with that and start crying, and how the Ram
माँ कौशल्या के हाथ से
is taking food from Maa Yashoda's hand, and whatever the sweet rice and whatever so is taking from the Kaushalya's hand, and like with a very like very stubborn tongue.
इतने समय
He's saying, Mama,
माँ
Papa.
कौशल्या देवी ने
That
बाल
time,
गोपाल माने बाल रामचंद्र को वहीं पर रख
माँ
करके
कौशल्या
इसी कारण से
said
घर के अंदर
Ramchandra there, and she
मैंने
went
सोचा
for some household
प्रभु राम के
work.
थोड़ा प्रसाद मुझे
So I thought like I get some prasad of Ramchandra.
बिना प्रसाद से कोई
Just I told you na, without prasadam you
भगवान के
cannot
प्रसाद की
go. So
ग्रहण
everyone wants
लालच में
the
मैं निकट में आ
send that crow, the Kakbhushandi, go near to the Ramchandra to take the prasadam. And that boy Ramchandra started crying to see me, and I run away. Oh, and I have a fear, something not happened wrong. So Ramchandra is giving the bite of the food to me. Just I'm going to take that food, and the boy get fear and started crying and saying Maya, Maya. And I'm thinking, oh, he is a Parbrahm Bhagwan. Bhagwan cannot, don't have a fear. Bhagwan cannot fear with anyone. And how he is getting fear of me? The Bhagwan have a one quality, Sarvagata. He knows everything. Sarvagata means he knows I'm the servant of him. He don't know me. Why he is fearing from me? So I also have some like doubt that time, and I move backward and thinking he's a Parbrahm Bhagwan or not. He's an ordinary man. So I also have that same doubt. That time after that, I leave that place. That Bal Brahm Ramchandra is want to caught me. Or if I'm just thinking, if he is not a Ramchandra, then he will not like crush me. Because if he is not Ramchandra and like fold my neck, so it's mean I will die if he is not Ramchandra. So he moved backward, and I also have a fear, and I started to run away from that place. And that the same Parbrahm Bal Ram is like doing the hand like this and moving towards behind me, and I'm also flying and going away, and I'm moving whole the universe, and just seeing that boy is coming behind me. There is only a distance between of 2 inches, and I afraid by this. So if the boy caught me, then definitely I will die. Then I call the name of Prabhu and sit one place. That the same Prabhu open his mouth, and I enter into his mouth. And so the same Leela is going there. The same thing, like the Ma Yashoda is giving food to Ramchandra, and I came out from his mouth. So I became so much confused what is going on, and I pray to the Lord. Brahma and Shiva doesn't understand your Leela, so please forgive me. So by saying this, he come out from his mouth at the same place of the Ma Koshola house, or the same Leela is going on. Then now I understand this is the God Leela, Bhagwan Leela. Then that's why the Kakbhushandi is saying to Garud, he is a Parbrahm Bhagwan. By the knowledge you cannot understand. Those only can understand who have a mercy of Prabhu. Lal ki jai. So many beautiful Hari Katha. Now the time is 2 o'clock. Now you have to go. First you have to take the prasadam. So, Jai. Sitaram, 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 Jai. Sitaram, 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 Jai. Tahi vidhi rakhe
चाहे विधि राखे राम चाहे विधि रहिए चाहे विधि
राखे राम चाहे विधि रहिए।
ओ जिंदगी के डोर से हाथ बिना नाच के तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे राम तेरा साथ में सीताराम सीताराम
सीताराम कहिए।
बोलो सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम
कहिए।
ओ साधु संग राम नाम अंग रंग रंगिए साधु संग राम नाम अंग रंग रंगिए सीताराम 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 कहिए सीताराम
सीताराम सीताराम कहिए।
बोलो हाथ में राम से बाहर मुख में राम नाम राम से हाथ में तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे राम तेरा साथ में सीताराम
सीताराम सीताराम कहिए।
बोलो मुख में राम नाम राम सेवा हाथ में तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे राम तेरा साथ में सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम
कहिए।
काला सा त्याग सुबह काम करते रहिए सीताराम 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 कहिए काला सा त्याग सुबह काम करते रहिए सीताराम सीताराम
सीताराम कहिए।
किया वो विमान जो विमान नहीं पाएगा होगा प्यारे वही जो श्री राम जी को पाएगा सीताराम सीताराम
सीताराम कहिए।
ओ सीताराम 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 कहिए
सीताराम 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 कहिए।
और किया वो विमान जो विमान नहीं पाएगा होगा प्यारे वही जो श्री राम जी को पाएगा सीताराम सीताराम
सीताराम कहिए।
हेलो सीताराम 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 कहिए सीताराम सीताराम
सीताराम कहिए।
हेलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
हरे राम राम राम
हरे हरे।
बोलो हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण